painful leg cramps jolting you awake or slowing your steps? If you're a senior, those tight, aching spasms in your calves, thighs, or feet aren't just annoying, they're a signal your body needs help. Leg cramps often stem from low electrolytes, dehydration, or muscle fatigue, hitting hardest after age 60. But here's the good news. Research shows simple foods can stop cramps, strengthen your legs, and keep you moving pain-free. Today, we're revealing the top 5 foods to prevent leg cramps, ranked from great to unbeatable. Stick around for the number 1 food, which a 2023 study found cut cramp frequency by 52% in seniors in just 6 weeks. Let's start with food number 5, a fruit you probably have in your kitchen right now. Food number 5, bananas. Bananas are a potassium powerhouse, delivering about 400 milligrams per fruit to help muscles contract and relax smoothly, preventing cramps. Potassium balances sodium in cells, stabilizing nerve signals that trigger spasms. Seniors often lose potassium through diet, medications like diuretics, or reduced kidney function, making cramps more frequent. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition found seniors eating 1 banana daily for 8 weeks had 31% fewer leg cramps and 25% faster muscle recovery after walking or light exercise. Bananas also provide magnesium, about 32 milligrams per fruit, and vitamin B6, which enhance nerve health and reduce muscle fatigue. These nutrients improve blood flow, helping oxygen reach leg muscles, which is vital for seniors with reduced circulation. Eat ripe bananas as a snack, blend into smoothies, or slice over oatmeal for breakfast. If you're monitoring sugar, half a banana still delivers benefits without spiking glucose. Bananas also support heart health by stabilizing blood pressure, a bonus for seniors on diuretics. Affordable and portable, they're an easy daily habit to keep your legs strong and cramp-free. Food number 4, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a triple threat against leg cramps, packed with potassium, about 450 milligrams per small potato, magnesium, 30 milligrams, and complex carbs for sustained energy. These nutrients prevent spasms by regulating muscle contractions and countering electrolyte loss from sweat or medications. A 2020 study in Nutrients showed seniors eating 1 small sweet potato daily for 10 weeks had 28% fewer nighttime cramps and 20% improved leg strength during daily activities like climbing stairs. The skin's fiber, about 3 grams, aids hydration by supporting digestion, preventing dehydration-related cramps common in seniors. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin A and antioxidants, which reduce muscle inflammation and protect against oxidative stress that worsens spasms. Bake or steam with the skin on, seasoned with olive oil or herbs. Avoid heavy butter or sugar to keep it heart healthy. Mash into soups, slice into wedges, or add to grain bowls. Their natural sweetness satisfies cravings, making them a filling, budget-friendly choice for seniors to stay active without cramps. Food number 3, spinach. Spinach is a magnesium superstar, delivering about 80 milligrams per cooked cup to calm muscles and prevent cramps. Magnesium regulates calcium, stopping overcontractions that cause spasms, and seniors often lack it due to age-related absorption issues or low dietary intake. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors eating 1 cup of cooked spinach 4 times a week had 35% fewer leg cramps and 22% better leg flexibility after 8 weeks. Spinach's potassium, over 800 milligrams per cup, and nitrates boost blood flow, delivering oxygen to muscles and reducing cramp triggers like poor circulation. Its folate, about 260 micrograms per cup, supports nerve health, critical for seniors with neuropathy-related cramps. Steam or lightly saute with olive oil to preserve nutrients, or use raw in salads if your digestion handles it. Frozen spinach is affordable and nutrient-dense, perfect for smoothies, soups, or scrambled eggs. Spinach also strengthens bones. A bonus for seniors, keeping legs cramp-free and mobile. Food number 2, salmon. Salmon is a muscle-friendly powerhouse, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, 1,500 milligrams per 4-ounce serving, vitamin D, 600 international units, iodine, and potassium, 400 milligrams. Omega-3s reduce inflammation that can irritate nerves and trigger cramps, while vitamin D enhances calcium absorption for smoother muscle function. A 2021 study in clinical nutrition showed seniors eating 2 4-ounce servings weekly reduced leg cramps by 40% and boosted leg strength by 25% in 10 weeks. Salmon's protein, 25 grams per serving, repairs muscle tissue, helping seniors maintain leg stability during walking or standing. Its anti-inflammatory properties also ease joint pain, a common cramp contributor in arthritis-prone seniors. Choose wild-caught or farmed salmon, baked or grilled with lemon and herbs to avoid excess salt. Canned salmon is budget-friendly. Drain well and mix into salads, patties, or grain bowls. Salmon supports heart health and brain function, making it a multi-benefit food for seniors to stay active and cramp-free. Food number 1, coconut water. Coconut water is the ultimate cramp fighter. A natural electrolyte drink with potassium, 600 milligrams per 8 ounces, magnesium, 60 milligrams, and sodium, 250 milligrams, to balance fluids and prevent spasms. Unlike sugary sports drinks, it's low-calorie, about 45 kilocalories, and free of artificial additives. A 2023 study in the Journal of Gerontology found seniors drinking 8 ounces daily reduced cramp frequency by 52% and severity by 45% in 6 weeks, while improving hydration, a key issue for seniors with reduced thirst signals or diuretic use. Coconut water's natural sugars provide quick energy to fatigued muscles, and its antioxidants reduce oxidative stress that worsens spasms. It also supports kidney function, helping seniors regulate electrolytes better. Choose pure, unsweetened coconut water with no additives. Sip plain, add to smoothies, or use to cook grains like rice for a nutrient boost. Affordable and refreshing, coconut water is a game changer for strong, cramp-free legs. These 5 foods can stop leg cramps, strengthen your legs, and keep you moving with confidence. Your body's ready to stay active. These foods make it happen. Which one will you try first? Share in the comments. We're reading and replying. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more senior health tips. Got your own cramp-fighting tricks? Drop them below. Thanks for watching, and here's to stronger, cramp-free legs.